Hola mis amigos, we're making rotisserie chicken tacos. This recipe is ridiculously simple because the sauce is really the only thing that we are making, since we are using a rotisserie chicken that is already cooked and we're just going to shred that up. I have about a 2-pound or so rotisserie chicken. So here in a bowl I have 1 cup or 8 ounces of sour cream. To that I'm going to add the zest of 1 lime, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons or so of Sriracha sauce, and the juice of 1 lime. And we're just going to get all of this nice and whisked together, and this is going to be the sauce that we put into the tacos. I am going to put mine into one of these little squirt bottles here. This is a condiment squirt bottle, so that way we can easily put it onto each taco. Putting these together is actually quite simple. Here I have some pita bread, into which I am stuffing with some of my chicken. And you can add any other veggies if you like, some tomatoes or some peppers. And all we are going to do is just drizzle over our sauce. And there you have it, guys. A delicious and simple taco. Rotisserie chicken tacos. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.